How many is that? 6?
6. It's one too many. I think personally that it's going to be just right.
That's not fucking far enough. What they said. Steve, very far.
Are you serious?
I'm a little worried now. I'm being serious. I think that's too close.
Take it on down. You don't take. Come on.
I thought that some bitch would be down there.
Oh, we wanted to put 8 or 9 more in there. You raised your fucking hand. Well, we didn't know you were going to put it 50 yards from the hole.
Let me put this gun down.
Fire in a hole on the refrigerator.
I'm gonna run out of battery. Hey, they didn't even put it in there, Tom.
See this puddle right in front of us? See how there's green grass on the right hand side of it, right in the middle? Everybody ready? Everybody ready?
Yep.
Yeah, we're ready.
Maybe ain't enough gun.
Step back.
I don't even see it hitting anywhere around there, do you?
I guess I'm gonna have to shoot that motherfucker, alright.
Bitch.
Let me see it. I'm right on it.
Above it.
Shot above it?
Yep.
How far?
Probably about 6 inches.
Okay.
Right in front of it.
Right dead in front of it.
That probably hit it, I think, Tom.
That had to be close.
That's how it moves.
It moved. It must have been in front of it. What the fuck, Tom?
What kind of bullets are you using?
You hit it that time.
I hit it.
Huh?
I hit it. There in to the right. I got my right cross here where I need it. Now I need to go down. It's not going to go off. I bet you I'm hitting it now.
What did he say?
That shot's going down the road.
A fucking bullseye.
I wasn't recording.
Look at this wire.
Slow-mo.
Huh? That fucking wire's shaking, ain't he?
You got power?
I wasn't recording.
I got it.
I got it.
Hey, Nick. Go down there and clean that up.
Hey, fucking fire department be here in a minute.
I bring my ATV down to there.
Smart ass.
I gotta get
You
started.
may want to hire out some help, old buddy.
What do you think, Bill?
Holy
Can I get a face check?
look at that. That's a mess. Oh my God.
Fucking wire's still shaking.
I think I was
See that fucking wire.
It's still attached.
Hey, you the one barking in good before you seen the mask.
Hey.
That ain't our fault.
I'm bringing my ATV down so I can put them on the ATV.
Bring my buggy. Jump in my big red and bring it. That way you got a bed.
Which one's yours?
Big red.
Which one's yours?
The camo one.